All right, so let's try out scroll. So for anybody who's just joining the live stream, thank you so much. If you tried to tune in earlier, I was having issues with the stream itself, so I finally got that figured out, and here we are. Um, Also, a little bit about me and my channel. This is the UX Design Show. I am the host, Emmanuel Johnson Jr., and I'm so glad I'm able to do this for you guys today. Like I said, I just got my link, and I've been talking about it a lot on my channel. So if anybody's watching, please subscribe. Check out the channel. I have some more stuff all related to UX, nothing else but UX. Mostly I talk about apps and reviews, app reviews and news, anything that's happening in design. So you'll see a lot of that on my channel. Also, too, I talk about things to help us get work, working with recruiters and things of that nature. So yeah, feel free to check out the channel, watch some videos, and I have more coming up. I just took a break over the last month. I've been watching Black Panther with my son and doing some things around the house. And there wasn't a whole lot of UX news, and I was actually waiting for this to do some videos with. So this is pretty cool. Plus, I work full-time as a UX designer. I'm a UX lead for TCS. So I stay pretty busy. But as soon as I have an opportunity, I'm always out trying to do videos and put videos up because I love UX so much. It's so much fun. All right, now we're into the scrolling tutorial. Scrolling inside Studio. After some simple setup, you can create scrolling artboards in Studio. Oh, that's nice. All right, step 1, fix position and scroll. Select artboard 1, which is the home artboard. Okay, so the inspector panel on the right shows its scrolling options. Change scrolling to none. Nice. So I didn't notice this before when we selected the artboard. It actually has scrolling here. This is very, very familiar. If you use Extra and you're building states for something and you want something to be a drop-down menu and you want people to be able to scroll that drop-down menu, then this is ultimately the way you would do it. You would choose scroll and hide. You could choose vertical or horizontal scrolling. So this is very, very reminiscent of that. And we're going to change it from none to vertical. Okay. Let's say we want to keep the header at the top when we scroll. Select the header layer, then in the inspector panel, select this icon to fix the position. Okay. So this is our header, the blue box here at the top of the app. And we're going to select this little icon to fix its position. Got it. There are no contextual links on this app. Like right now, I feel as if when I roll over this, it should tell me what this icon is. So that is not there. I think that would be a really good thing to help with users and people who are going to be using this app. So let's click that. Okay, to fix the position. All right. Viewport indicator. Now that, okay, preview scrolling. Now that we've created a scrolling artboard, let's preview it. All right, select the play button from the toolbar above or tap on the Command P on your keyboard. Looking good. All right, let's try Command P. We didn't see that earlier. Nice. So now all of those items that I have on my artboard are now scrollable. That is dope. And okay, so I believe that shadow is already there. There's a shadow, I can see it slightly here. So that shadow is already there. So you already have your shadow, is not dynamically producing that shadow. So as you scroll, you can see that there's a slight shadow here. And I think that's really cool, man. A lot of times when you're designing apps and wireframing and you know that the app is gonna have a ton of scrolling, if you're designing something for products, or if you're just designing something that's gonna be sold, you're gonna have a long template, a long wireframe. So the fact that you can now show that off is really neat. The ability to scroll. That is really, really cool. Super simple stuff, and I honestly believe that this is a really nice way of presenting it. View import indicator. Okay. So basically, I guess this is telling us that the end of the app is here. So that way you know what's going to be overflowing, which, I mean, that would just make sense to you if you're working on this. Another thing I noticed as I scroll down this page here, so you don't forget what you're looking at. I don't know if you guys can see it, But when you're scrolling, it says it right there, Artboard 1. So as you're scrolling this, the title is very transparent, but it tells you Artboard 1. Every time I try to roll over, you can't see it. Let me scroll up a little bit. Yeah, Artboard 1. So that's nice. When you're actually working in the file and you're deep down into it and you scroll away, you're trying to figure out what page you're on, boom, it's right there. So that's nice. That's neat. That's very, very neat. Type of notification that'll able to let you know what you're doing. So that's good. I mean, this is awesome. These are super simple tutorials, but I think it gives you a real sense of what you'll be creating and what you're doing. I think this is really, really nice. And like I said, I love the menus and everything that you see over here. The fact that you can select this text to get to the artboard, very, very, very much like Adobe XD, and I love the fact that they're very, very similar. All right, so we've completed all 3 tutorials that they've given us in this application.